Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of fast and free shipping. They still have Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals going on now. So all you gotta do is click that link down below, check it out, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out so they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We are in crunch time now, guys. End of the month is, I think, here. Or there might be 30 days. Either or, it is just about done. Santa Claus will be coming down the chimneys. And you guys can either add this to your wish list or buy it now. Either or. ADIMO, ADIMO. Safety takes it to the next level. Back. So this must be the front. No, man, we'll open it up, see what's inside. It says, safety takes it to the next level. Oh boy, should be interesting. Oh, model 55. Accessories include inside. Please do not lose or avoid collisions. Yeah. Oh boy, this thing is heavy though. So, felt pretty bad for the delivery guy, but he's used to it by now. Here we go. We're going to pause. Oh boy. Looks like I think it's a safe. I mean, take this apart. Ooh. Oh yeah. Definitely need one of these. Whoops. Gotta get the goodies out. Okay, there's some stuff in this box that I'm having trouble opening. Here we go, put you guys right on top of the safe. So now we have a safe that's going to be safe. Keep your precious belongings inside, like documents and other stuff, maybe your Bitcoin, hard drives, thumb drives, special documents, and what other goodies you need to protect from your kitties or neighbors or roommates. You know, perfect for a college dorm, your condo, apartment, business, small business. Ooh, we got the keys in here. All right. Oh boy. That's going to be a fun one. Take a look at this. We got a digital display. Pretty solid. Should be easy to open up. Model number right there. BGX safe box. So check them out though. They got a website also, but they have it on Amazon. So either or, check both for details like price match if you guys want to do that. Got some stuff in here. I'll leave them all in here until the end. Not sure what this is. It's kind of thingy. Kind of looks like a PlayStation 4. Ooh, I got some gold. Bling bling. Oh yeah. Some kind of wheel. So this is the first time ever doing a safe, I do believe. We got some keys. The master keys, kind of like a car key. That's pretty cool. Special. Nice backside too. Front, back. And we got some other keys. Dang. Got 3 sets of keys. Right there. And like I said, we'll keep these over here for now. Sorry about that. We're going to take this thing out. Try it out. Alrighty guys, we got it opened. Got the 2 keys in there. One the master key and that key right there. Got that sideways, pop the top. Comes, you need AAA or AA batteries. 4 of them. They go inside right there. Little spot. Really nice. So you can have your keys right there. Nice inside for your documents or weapons or whatever you have. Oh, there's a key right there. So we're going to need another key, which would be this key. Oh, man. Here we go. So really nice inside. See right there, you can stuff your maybe gold bars, silver bars, coins, and watches, precious jewelry. So really nice. All the way down at the bottom. More stuff you could store. So pretty solid. Now we're gonna turn it on and do the passcode and stuff like that. But pretty cool so far. Nice gold. Look at that gold bling. You can see it shining right there. So got these little hooks. Hook up a key. Kind of like that. But you don't want to lock keys to the safe inside. You never know, but this looks pretty good. Pretty solid. It's going to be kind of hard. And it's pretty heavy though. So if you're giving a gift to an older person, you might want to help them bring it in and set it up. So, but time for batteries. Got the batteries right there. We're going to install them really quick. Alright guys, we got the 4 installed. Like I say, you could grab the Amazon ones. They're really good. This goes down this way. Here's the lid. Oh, I think it already turned on. Once we shut it, maybe I gotta go from this way. Did I get in right? I think I did. Yeah, it'll probably shut once I put this. Come on. Get in the groove. Get in the groove, baby. Uh-oh. Alright, let me... Oh boy, I had it on backwards. So open goes on that side, and then you could just like slide it out like that. Now it's locked in good. We'll lock that. We'll close that. Lock that up. See? Bada boom. There we go. And then always put the lid back on.